This is Carbon Robotics and Agrifluence, highlighting innovation in the field. I'm joined by Paul Mikesell, the founder and CEO of Carbon Robotics in San Juan, Texas today. After seeing the laser weeder G2 in the field, I wanted to dive into the story behind the technology, how it got started, how it's grown, and where it's taking farming next. So why lasers and AI? What made that the right path?
AI systems had gotten so good that they could understand not just the world around them, but what they needed to do to affect change. And in this case, it's how to target lasers on the meristem of plants. The nice thing about laser beam is that you can be so precise, so specific with what you're hitting, that you can damage just the meristem of the weed without affecting the crops around it.
Now that the laser weeder is in 15 countries, what feedback stands out the most?
You know, I'll tell you the thing that I think surprised us the most that we didn't anticipate was the dramatic yield increases that we were going to see. Originally, we were all about just how do you kill the weeds, and what we didn't realize, and I think the farmers didn't understand either originally, was that so much crop damage is happening from the amount of herbicide spray and when you cultivate with blades in the ground, and even just from having people walk through the field, that if you can kill weeds without any of that stuff, the yield increases look just really dramatic. And somebody referred to it recently as the positive effect of not doing negative things, and I really think that's what this is.
You know, as the technology continues to evolve, what do you see down the road in the next 3 to 5 years as Carbon Robotics grows?
Yeah, we do a lot with laser weeder. We are continuing to enhance that software package, and we may have some much smaller versions of laser weeder as well. Today, the smallest version we make is a 2-meter 3-module machine, and we also make a 2-meter 4-module machine. We may in the future make even smaller versions of it. And then, of course, ATK, which is our autonomous tractor kit, that turns your existing tractors into a self-driving, fully autonomous tractor. We're getting massive amounts of requests for this product. When it's farming season, you have a specific amount of time that you need to get across all your acreage to do whatever you're doing. If you can run those assets 24/7, then your payback is a lot better. And if it's limited by something like a tractor driver, then being able to do some self-driving tractor technology like ATK really pays a lot of benefit. It's not just the savings on the hourly on the driver, it's the ability to utilize your equipment.
Amazing. Well, I think what you've created is obviously state of the art. It's a huge innovation for the industry, and I'm excited to see where it goes from here.
Yay, thank you.